Hello everyone, this is Stars of Knowledge on the channel. I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine today. So guys, today's video is in continuation to IELTS Speaking Cue Card Series 2021. So this is the new cue card which we are going to talk about in today's video from September to December 2021. So the topic for our today's cue card is describe an activity that you usually do that waste your time. You should say what it is, when you usually do it, why do you do it, and explain why you think it wastes your time. So let's start with our simple answer on this. Hi guys, welcome to Stars of Knowledge on the channel. Guys, in today's video we are going to talk about some topics which you should prepare if you are giving your exam in the month of October, November or December this year in 2021. These are the writing task 2 topics and they have probability to come in the examinations. I'm not giving you a prediction or something, but yes, these are those repeated and the latest topics which you can expect in your examination. So just go through the topics and see if you have ideas regarding to this. So if you have any this kind of a topic come in your examination, you have something to write about it. So let's start today's video. So our first topic is, some people say that individuals who make a lot of money are the most successful. Others think that those who contribute to society like scientists and teachers are more successful. Discuss both sides and give your own opinion. Guys, it's always good that you use an example when you are giving your own opinions. Next topic is, in today's world of advanced science and technology, many still greatly value artists such as musicians, painters and writers. What can the arts tell us about life that science cannot? Next topic is, in many countries, people now wear Western style dress such as suits and jeans rather than traditional clothing. Why is this? Is this a positive or a negative development? Many adults nowadays prefer spending their free time playing computer games. Why do they do this? Is this a positive or negative development? Guys, you don't have to think about something very tricky when you are attempting your writing task 2. You can talk about something easy and more related to your life, like if you prefer spending free time playing video games and computers. So see what you can talk about over here. Okay, just try to think and relate it to yourself. It's always easier. Next topic is, some countries are considering imposing curfews in which teenagers will not be allowed outdoors at night unless they are accompanied by an adult. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this policy? Next is, crime rates will fall as advances in technology make it easier to detect and prevent crimes. To what extent do you agree or disagree? In many situations, people who break the law should be warned instead of punished. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Some people think employers should not care about the way their employees dress, but the quality at work. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Our next topics are, some people focus on news in their own country while others think it is more important to be aware of international news. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Some people think that governments should give financial support to creative artists such as painters and musicians. Others believe that artists should be funded by alternative sources. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Some people think that because children find subjects such as mathematics and philosophy difficult, they ought to be optional instead of compulsory. To what extent do you agree? Our next topics for the writing task 2 are: some people think children should have the freedom to make mistakes, while other people believe that adults should prevent children from making mistakes. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Guys, making mistakes is a very common thing. It's a human nature. So I think this topic is very easy for you to write. Don't think anything tricky on this one. You can relate this on you and you can write about this. Next is: globalization is positive for economics, but its negative sides should be ignored. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Although more and more people read news on the internet, newspapers will remain the most important source of news for the majority of people. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Over here, guys, you can think about who are that majority of people. What age group or what location or which kind of a people who still don't read news on the internet. They still prefer that newspapers to be delivered at their houses, or they pick up the newspapers while they are going to their work. They are reading the newspapers while traveling in train or buses or anywhere. So just think about that commonly and try to answer it, rather than going into something very difficult from picking this sample answer from the internet. First, try to make it yourself. Just look around you and try to answer these things. But yes, on those topics, like if you don't know what is globalization, if you don't know about more into economics or anything like that, then yes, do search on the Google, read those sample answers and then have some ideas about it. Or you can just read what globalization is. Okay, but for the rest of the topics, always try to relate it to yourself, because then you will have plenty of ideas to write about it. Our next topics are: some believe children should be taught to give speeches and presentations in school. Why is this? Should this be taught in schools? Well, definitely. I completely agree on this. Many students find it difficult to focus or pay attention at school nowadays. What are the reasons for this? What can be done to solve this problem? In many countries, the number of animals and plants is declining. Why do you think this is happening, and how can this issue be resolved? Guys, you are students. Most of you are doing IELTS academic rather than a journal training. Even if you are into a journal training, still you've been a student once in your life. So for the student kind of a children type schools, guys, try to relate it to yourself. Was you confident giving speeches in school? Do you think it should have done? Or how you was able to focus in the class, you paying attention in the class? Was it easy or was it tough? Why it was easy, why it was tough, how it changed from when you was going to school till now. So try to relate it to yourself. Okay, moving on to the next topics. Individuals today are more dependent on each other. Others believe people have become more independent. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Next, some people think that there should be a complete ban on all forms of advertising. To what extent do you agree or disagree? No, there should not be a ban. Some feel governments rather than private companies should be in charge of medical services. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Guys, you can involve countries over here in this topic. Okay, let's further move on. Next topic is: large companies use sports events to promote their products. Some people think that this has a negative impact on sports. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Next topic is: people these days watch TV, films and other programs alone rather than with other people. Do the advantages of this development outweigh the disadvantages? Some feel that schools should be mixed with both girls and boys attending, while others feel the genders ought to be separated. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Our next topics for the writing task 2 are: some believe that people should make efforts to fight climate change, while others think it is better to learn to live with it. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. You can talk about the flexibility, and yes, you should always go with the flow. So I think it's better to learn to live with it. So let's see. Next topic is: it is natural process for animal species to become extinct. That is, for example, dinosaur, dodos, etc. There is no reason why people should try to prevent this from happening. Do you agree or disagree? In many countries, crime rates among younger people has been rising. Discuss the cause and solution for this. Well, they are not patient at all. They have big anger issues, short-tempered. Well, I'm giving you my examples, even though I'm not as younger as you guys are. But yeah, let's move on further. So next topics for the writing task 2 are: convenience food will become increasingly prevalent and eventually replace traditional foods and methods of preparation. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Completely agree. Some people think that sports play an important role in society. Others think they are nothing more than a leisure activity. Discuss both views and give your opinion. In their advertising, businesses nowadays usually emphasize that their products are new in some way. Why is this? Do you think it is positive or negative development? Wow. Our next topics are: some people think that children under 18 years old should receive full-time education. To what extent do you agree or disagree? I completely agree. Some people today prefer to get advice for medical problems and do not want to visit a doctor. Why is this? Is this a positive or a negative development? Well, I also like to just get advice rather than visiting a doctor, because nowadays I just feel that doctors gives you unnecessary medicines. If you're going there for one problem, they'll try to find out 3-4 more and then give you so much of the medications. They run so many tests, and I don't know, you can just get your test maybe every 6 months. What I do is, to be very honest, I get my test after every 6 months. If they are perfectly fine, I get my heart issues, my liver, my normal hemoglobin, everything. I go through these things, and if they are fine, it's okay. I don't visit doctors or anything. And if I'm suffering from something really low, just keep paracetamol with you or a co-cordamol. That's it. Nothing. I don't prefer going to doctors until or unless you are dying from a week or something. Next is: traditional ideas from older people about the way to live and behave are not helpful to young people and their futures. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Guys, if I take myself, I'll say 15 years back, when I was of your age, then I'll probably say that I disagree, because whatever older people tell you, I never believed in that. Until you somehow get matured and turned into that age, then you realize, yes, we should have kind of listened to them. Well, it's not about your lifestyles or anything, about some things. Then you realize that their way of living is somewhere is better in nowadays, because it's a bad everything. Environment is just bad. So you can just write about anything. You agree or disagree. It can depend upon the way you are living. You are living in a joint families, or you're living in a single families. So you can think about those things and you can write about this. Next topic is: large companies should pay higher salaries to CEOs and and executives compared to other workers. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Well, it's not about, I think, disagree or agree. I'll say you get paid as per your positions. Once you keep going on the higher positions, your salary is also getting higher. So CEO have a more responsibilities and a more, kind of a, if something happens, CEO is the one to blame. So obviously he should get higher money because he's getting the blames. Okay, let's further move on. And our last slide, and we have two topics over here, and these are: in some areas of the US, a curfew is imposed in which teenagers are not allowed to be out of doors after particular time at night unless they are accompanied by an adult. What is your opinion about this? Give reasons for your answers and include any relevant examples for your knowledge or experience. Guys, we have a similar kind of a task over there, but there was not a mention of a country, US. It was generalized question. Either it's a country mentioned or not, or it's a generalized question. You can write same about it. And the last topic is: some people believe that there should be fixed punishments for each type of crime. Others, however, argued that the circumstances of an individual crime and the motivation for committing should always be taken into account when deciding on punishment. Discuss both point of views and give your own opinion. Guys, this is a very, I'll say it's easy, but still it's a tricky one. Coming from the law background, or somebody like me who's into criminal law, who's done business law, who's teaching philosophy, psychology, criminology, I can say circumstantial, because there's always a different motives or situations, environment, so many things which led person to a crime. So I don't think so there should be a fixed punishments. Punishment should be as per the crime. You can write what you think is best, because I'm sure in news everything you have heard about, read about crimes and everything. So whatever situations or examples or any crime you have in your mind, you can talk about that. So this is it. So guys, this is today's video, and this is the sample answer for the new cue card. I hope you like this video. If you do, please click on the like button, and also please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar, and do hit the bell icon so that you get notification when we publish new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please share and subscribe. Take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye-bye. So students, these are the writing task 2 topics. I hope you like this video. If you do, please click on the like button, and also please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Jalandhar. Do hit the bell icon. If you have any issues in these topics, or if you want some ideas, please leave a comment below. I'll definitely get back to you. Thank you so much, students. Take care of yourself, and bye-bye.